This video will be about creating Peachy selfie preset that would add a peachy glow to your selfies or photos. First of all, go to the light settings. In this, set exposure to 0.50 EV, highlights to -26, shadows to 12, whites to -23, and blacks to -50. Now go to the color settings. In this, set vibrance to 35 and saturation to -10. Now in the mix settings, in red, set saturation to 20 and luminance to -20. In orange, set hue to -14, saturation to 12 and luminance to 6. In yellow, set hue to -20. Now go to the effect settings. In this, set dehaze to 12. Now in detail settings, set noise reduction to 15. Now go back to the light curves and adjust the curves in the same way as I have done over here. Here's our Peachy selfie preset ready. The preset download link is in the description. If you don't have any idea about how to edit using the presets that I have provided to you, you could refer to the video link I have provided in the description, as presets make your work easy and quick.